Good morning, students. Today's class we study about algebra of 7th standard. In this algebra, we study about subtractions of algebraic expressions. Subtractions of algebraic expressions. Here, subtractions means changing the signs of the terms in the subtrahend. Here, question is subtract 4a plus 5b minus 2c from 5a minus 4b plus 3c. So here solution is subtract 4a 5b minus 2c from 5a minus 4b plus 3c. So subtrahend this 4a plus 5b minus 2c. So first 5a minus 4b plus 3c minus 4a plus 5b minus 2c. Next 5a minus 4b plus 3c minus plus minus minus 4a minus plus minus 5b minus minus plus 2c. Next taking like terms together 5a minus 4a minus 4b minus 5b plus 3c plus 2c. 5a minus 4a, 5 minus 4, 1a minus 4 minus 5 minus minus plus minus 9b plus 3c and plus 2c plus 3 plus 2 5c. Subtract 4a plus 5b minus 2c from 5a minus 4b plus 3c. Plus first we take 5a minus 4b plus 3c minus 4a plus 5b minus 2c. Here 5a minus 4b plus 3c minus plus minus minus 4a minus plus minus 5b minus minus plus 2c. Next taking like terms together. Here 5a minus 4a is the like term, minus 4b and minus 5b also the like term, and plus 3c and plus 2c like terms. Next adding the numbers 5 minus 4 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus minus plus, so minus 9b and plus 3 and plus 2, it is plus 5c. Subtract 2x minus y plus 3z from 3x minus 2y plus z. So here solution is 3x minus 2y plus z minus 2x minus y plus 3z. Next 3x minus 2y plus z minus plus minus 2x minus into minus plus y minus plus minus 3z. Next taking like terms together 3x minus 2x minus 2y minus plus y, again my plus z minus 3z. 3x minus 2x is 3 minus 2 1 1x plus minus 2 plus y minus 1y plus z minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2z. This is also equal to x minus y minus 2z. Minus 3x minus 2y plus z minus plus minus 2x minus minus plus y minus plus minus. Next, taking like terms together, 3x minus 2x minus 2y and plus y also the same term, plus z and minus 3z also same term, like terms. Next, subtracting the terms, 3x minus 2x is 1x minus 2y plus 1y minus plus minus, it's minus 1y, 1z minus 3z is plus minus minus, is minus 2z. Next, exercise questions. First question, subtract 3x from 4x. That is, first we take 4x minus 3x. 4 minus 3 is 1. It is 1x is x. 1x or x. Second question, subtract 7xy from 14xy. So 14xy is taking first and 7xy is next. So 14xy minus 7xy. 14 minus 7, xy is common. So 14 minus 7 is 7xy. Third question, C. Subtract 5a from 3a. Subtract 5a from 3a. Here 3a is taking first and next minus 5a. Here 5 minus 3 is 2. Bigger number is minus. So answer is minus 2a. 5a from 3a. 3a minus 5a. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bigger number sign is negative. So minus 2a. Fourth question, B. Subtract 3x square from minus 8x square. Subtract 3x square from minus 8x square. Here minus x square is 8x square is taken primarily. Next, minus 8x square and minus 3x square. So minus minus plus, minus 8 minus 3 x square is outside, minus minus plus 8 minus 3 11 minus 11 x square. Fifth question, subtract minus 11 xyz from minus 5xyz. Subtract minus 11 xyz from minus 5xyz. Here minus xyz minus of minus 11 xyz. So minus 5xyz, minus into minus is plus 11xyz. Again minus plus minus. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 6xyz. Subtract minus 11xyz from minus 5xyz. Here minus 5xyz minus of minus 11xyz, minus into minus plus, again minus 5xyz plus 11xyz, minus plus minus. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 6xyz. Subtracts 2a, these are the binomial terms of subtraction. 2a minus 4b from 3b minus 6a. 3b minus 6a. So here solution is 3b minus 6a minus 2a minus 4b. Here 3b minus 6a minus plus minus 2a minus minus plus 4b. Again taking like terms together, 3b plus 4b and plus minus 6a minus 2a. So 3b, 4b, 3 plus 4, 7b, minus 6 minus 2, minus 8a. 3b minus 6a is first term. Here subtrahend is 2a minus 4b. So minus 2a minus 4b. Next minus plus minus minus 2a minus minus plus 4b. Here like terms are 3b and 4b and minus 6a and minus 2a. So separating these like terms, then adding the terms plus 3b plus 4b plus 3 plus 4 7b. Here minus and minus is also plus. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8a. Here second question is, this is the first question. Second question, minus 5xy plus 9yz minus 5xy plus 9yz from 3xy minus 4, 3xy minus 4yz. Here 3xy minus 4yz is taken. First we take 3xy minus 4yz minus 5xy plus 9yz. Last term is taken first and first term is taken last. Next 3xy minus 4yz minus into minus, that is plus 5xy minus plus minus 9yz. Next here also the same terms are 3xy and 5xy. Taking separately these two terms, 3xy plus 5xy. Like terms are taking separately. Again like terms are minus 4yz minus 9yz. So plus 3n plus 5 plus 8xy minus 4 and minus 9, 30yz. Last answer is 8xy minus 30yz. Third question, subtract a square minus 5b, a square minus 5b from 6b minus 4a square. So first we take 6b minus 4a square minus a square minus 5b. Last term is taken first and first term is the last. And changing the sign. So 6b minus 4a square minus plus minus, minus into minus plus. Again taking the like terms together. 6b plus 5b plus minus 4a square and minus a square. 6b, 5b like terms. Minus 4a square and a square also like terms. Next 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11b. Minus 4 minus a square means minus 1a square. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 5a square. Last answer is 11b minus 5a square. Fourth question. Subtract x square minus xy. X square minus xy from 4xy minus 5x square. 4x square minus 5x square. 4xy minus 5x square. Here also last term is taken. First take last term minus x square minus xy. Here 4x square 4xy minus 5x square minus plus minus x square minus minus plus xy. Here 4xy plus xy again minus 5x square minus x square, separating the like terms 4xy, xy, 5x square, x square. Next 4x square and xy. 4xy xy is 4 plus 1, 5xy minus minus plus minus 6x square. 5xy plus minus minus 6x square. These are the subtraction of binomial terms, binomial to binomial. Next question is subtract 6a minus 4b, 6a minus 4b plus c from minus a plus 3b minus 5c. Here three terms trinomial. First we take last term is taken first. Last term is minus a plus 3b minus 5c and subtrahend this first term minus 6a minus 4b plus c. Next step is minus a plus 3b minus 5c minus plus minus 6a minus into minus plus 4b minus plus minus c. Next separating the like terms minus a minus 6a are the two like terms. Again plus 3b plus 4b are the two like terms. In last minus 5c and minus c are the same terms, similar terms. Minus minus again plus 6 plus 1 7a plus 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 3 plus 4 7b minus 5 minus 1 minus minus plus minus 5 plus 1 6. The last answer minus 7a minus plus 7b minus 6c. Seventh question. Minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 from 3y minus 7x 7x plus 1 2. So here also first take last term. Last term is 3y minus 7x plus 2 minus subtrahend minus 4x minus 8y plus 7. So next step is minus 3y minus 7x plus 2, remaining the brackets, minus minus plus 4x minus minus plus 8y minus plus minus 7. Next step, taking separately the like terms, 3y plus 8y, again minus 7x plus 4x, again numbers 2 minus 7, separating the like terms together. So next 3 plus 8, 11y minus 7 plus 4 minus 3x, 2 minus 7 minus 5, minus 4x minus 8y plus 7 from 3y minus 7x plus 2. Here last term is taken first, it's 3y minus 7x plus 2 minus minus 4x minus 8y plus 7. 3y minus 7x plus 2 minus into minus plus 4x minus minus plus 8y minus plus minus 7. Next separating the like terms. 3y and 8y are the like terms, 7x, 4x like terms, and 2 minus 7 are the like terms. So 3y plus 8y, 3 plus 8, 11y minus 7 minus plus 4, 7 minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3, 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So next class we will discuss about multiplications of algebraic terms. Thank you.